Know about product structure. You should understand how investment products are structured in terms of returns, transaction costs, fees, and taxation before you invest. Match your risk tolerance with product risk. Each product has its own risk return relationship. You must carefully match your risk tolerance with the risks associated with the products in your portfolio in order to create a portfolio that delivers optimal returns. If you are a conservative investor, you may feel more comfortable investing in lower risk assets such as bonds or deposits. Investing in stocks or other more volatile asset classes may provide higher returns if you have a high level of risk tolerance. Investment horizon. An investment horizon is the length of time you are willing to keep your money invested. When you have a longer investment horizon, you can take on more risk. Due to the longer time frame, you will be able to recover from any short-term losses you incur. Your investments will need to be more conservative if your investment horizon is shorter. Losses could result if you don't take precautions. Lesson synopsis. Trading plans can help you reduce your losses and limit trading mistakes. Risk management and profitability are the primary objectives of any trading system. Your trading performance will be measured using a framework. Investing in stocks or other more volatile asset classes may provide higher returns if you have a high level of risk tolerance. Your investments will need to be more conservative if your investment horizon is shorter